In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Canva. We'll walk through choosing a template, customizing your content and style, and publishing it as a live website. No coding or hosting setup required. This process is beginner-friendly, and a free Canva account is all you need. Start by heading to canva.com and signing in. Once you're in, search for landing page templates, or open a blank design if you want complete control. Templates are a great starting point because they come with pre-made sections for headlines, benefits, images, and buttons. Pick one that feels close to your brand or layout goal. You can change everything later. Begin designing your page by editing the text. Replace the headline with a clear, benefit-focused statement that quickly tells visitors what they'll get. Add a short subtitle to support the headline, then include a brief section for benefits or key details. Keep the language simple and skimmable, and make sure your most important message appears near the top so people see it immediately. Next, add visuals. From the left panel, drag in photos or videos that match your message. Choose high-quality images and use Canva's cropping and adjustment tools to keep everything clean and consistent. If you include video, a short, relevant clip can make the page feel more dynamic. Add your call to action button, like sign up, buy now, or contact. Position it prominently, ideally near the headline, and consider repeating it near the bottom so visitors always have an easy next step. You can link it now or later by selecting the button, clicking the link option, and pasting your destination URL. Customize the layout and style to match your brand. Update colors and fonts so they're consistent with your logo and overall identity. Aim for strong contrast between text and background for readability, and keep spacing generous to avoid clutter. If the template's order doesn't fit your story, simply click and drag sections up or down until the flow feels right, moving from headline to benefits to your call to action. When you're ready to go live, click Share in the top right and choose Website. Select a display style. Scrolling works best for landing pages because visitors can move through your content in a natural, vertical flow. Click Publish, and Canva will generate a live URL you can share immediately. There's no extra hosting or technical setup required. And that's it. You've created and published a clean, focused landing page in Canva. Use your new link anywhere you want to drive traffic and refine the page as you learn what resonates with your audience.